Alright, come close please, because I got something to tell you. It's all a trap. I'm psyoping you. I'm sneakily tricking you into going over all the lessons, learning the skills, implementing what you learn, becoming a person that can then make money with what you learn. So you go to 1K a month, 5K a month, 10K a month, 100K a month. If I do that, I'm kind of guaranteed that you will renew your membership and you will log into Business Campus every day. And that way, I stay the best professor in the best campus in the real world. It's basically like a reverse scam. It's like a pickpocket putting money in your pocket. It's like a burglar sneakily is coming into your house and then he puts up televisions and he puts jewelry there and then he leaves without a trace. Except it's even better because the things that you learn here, the skills that you pick up here, are for life. You will keep those. It's not a one-time television. It's not a one-time Cartier watch or a Rolex. You'll be able to buy all the Rolexes and all the televisions that you want. If you study this and master these principles, you'll be able to land any sales job, ace any sales interview, do client calls, do interviews, blend in any environment, pick up elite social skills, sales skills, marketing skills, business skills, speaking skills. It's all there. It's all on the table. It's up to you to grab it. You'll be cool and calm and collected in any situation. After going through all of the stuff that I'm about to teach you, you will not be the same person ever again. So, I thought it would be fair to tell you this before we start. I thought it would be okay to at least tell you, like, if you embark on this journey, you won't be the same person ever again. I just wanted to come right out and say it. Now, if you're okay with all these things, if you're willing to pick up all of that, learn all of that, pick up all those skills, become that person, there are 3 things that I want you to do right now. And those 3 things will signal to me that you're actually serious about this. So let's go over them. Number 1, I want you to write down an income goal on a piece of paper. An income goal, something that would make you happy if you made that money. I don't know where you are now. Maybe you're doing very well, maybe you're doing very badly. Could be 1K a month, 5K, 10K, 100K, a million a month. I don't know. Wherever you are right now, pick the next income goal. Write it on a piece of paper. Tear it off the piece of paper or cut it out and carry it with you wherever you go. I know it sounds kind of airy-fairy, sounds kind of hippie. Trust me on this. It's one of the few things that I've actually tested and that have actually worked. Write the goal down, carry it with you. Put it in your wallet if you carry one. Like me, 39 years old, so I still carry a wallet. If you don't have a wallet, put it in your phone case. Have it with you all the time. It is important. Number 2, I want you to change your profile picture. Having the default profile picture is lame. Change it into anything. Your pet could be your dog or your cat or your alligator. Could be, I don't know, your favorite person. Anything except the Neo default profile picture. It makes it much easier for me to recognize you and to keep track of you and to see you when you're actually talking inside of the campus. And that leads us to number 3, which is please introduce yourself in the Introduce Yourself channel. Again, whenever you ask questions, a lot of the times I will go over your intro in your Introduce Yourself channel. So I got some context for who you are and where you're coming from. This is sort of the segue from being in the stands to getting on the field. And I want you on the field. It's so important for your learning, for your development, for you actually achieving anything in here, to be on the field, to be a part of the game, and to be in it. So, write down your goal, carry it with you, change your profile picture, introduce yourself in the Introduce Yourself channel. Very important. Do that, and in the next video, I'll show you exactly how to navigate this place, how to get to where you want to go with speed so you can get to your goals. So, let's go to the next video now.